Climate change is one of the biggest challenges that humanity faces. Human influence in global warming is unequivocal, and climate change is already affecting many weather and climate extremes in every world region. At Rovensa, we recognize the impacts of our activities and that it is vital to support our stakeholders by promoting climate action, sustainable agricultural practices, and empowering farmers to reduce their impact without compromising productivity. That's why we are making a global science-based commitment to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. We have identified 4 pillars of action to achieve net zero emissions: responsible carbon management, renewable energy, greening supply chain and low-carbon operations, and climate-friendly agriculture. In responsible carbon management, we want to ensure a science-based approach towards net zero and transparent communication on our progress. For that, we have committed to the Science Based Targets initiative's business ambition for 1.5 degrees Celsius, and will submit GHG reduction targets to the SBTi for approval in alignment with a 1.5 degrees Celsius scenario. We will also provide training to our employees on material climate-related issues. In our second pillar of action, renewable energy, we aim to continue to improve the energy efficiency of our sites by implementing energy efficiency improvement programs and transition to 100% use of renewable energy sources in all our industrial plants, whether through purchase agreements or own production. In our third pillar of action, greening supply chain and low-carbon operations, we want to adopt sustainable procurement practices and work with suppliers to reduce their GHG emissions and optimize their packaging. We will also ensure that 50% of our light vehicle fleet is electric by 2030. And last but not least, in our fourth pillar of action, climate-friendly agriculture, we aim to continue to work with farmers to identify and promote climate-friendly practices and assess investment opportunities in product innovation of agriculture inputs that enhance nutrient use efficiency and improve productivity of farmers. All of this is another step further in Rovensa's sustainability journey. To achieve the global goal of net zero emissions by 2050, we strongly believe that collaboration between all sectors of society is key. From our side, we will strive to work alongside our sector and our value chain, and we will continue to follow up on best practices and new developments that could help us all to achieve our common goal: tackling climate change.